Hey everyone, this is Father Leo with hashtag AskFatherLeo, answering a question around this time of the year. When is a good time, an appropriate time for Catholics to put up Christmas decorations? In the Philippines, they actually start putting it up in the months ending with the letter R. So that means September, you're starting to see things go up in families' homes to prepare for the celebration of Christmas. Is that a little premature? I personally think so, but who am I to tell them what they can and cannot do? I tried doing that with my mother, who actually puts up her tree around Thanksgiving, and it drives me a little crazy, but she says, to her defense, it helps her to enter into the spirit of preparing for Christmas. Let's admit it, Christmas lights, they put people in a good mood. So if that is what it takes to make this world come together a little bit better, then I'm all for it. But I want people to enter more deeply into what this time of the year is about. It's about patiently waiting for the celebration. And so if all we're doing is advancing our Christmas celebration or expanding it during the month of December, then we're getting it sociologically and theologically confused. The fact is, this time of patient waiting is a time of dryness. And so while I know that I don't want to be one of these curmudgeon-y Grinch-type people who yells at everyone for putting up the Christmas tree up early, I also want to be patient about it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put things up a little bit at a time and building it up. I don't have a lot of time in my life, and I would like to just get it all done in one moment. But that's what I'm planning to do to help me patiently prepare for the big celebration. And I'm going to make sure I leave my tree up throughout the entirety of the Christmas season, which goes through the baptism of the Lord. And so I don't want you to use this time to debate about when is a good time to put up these symbols, because frankly, that's all it is. It's just symbols of our Catholic faith. And if the rest of the world wants to commercialize it, doesn't mean you have to. You can be patient and wait and put things up a little bit at a time in order to make sure that we don't confuse Advent with the Christmas celebration and the Christmas season. So, as you notice, I didn't tell you when you can and cannot put up your tree. I do know that we've got to enter into the liturgical season, and you start seeing vestiges of very holiday ornamental things, whether it be the Advent wreath that gets lit each week. You can basically have an Advent calendar, and those are always Christmassy looking. And more importantly, if you want to put up a tree, go right ahead. Put all of the lights and the things up, and just don't light it until Christmas Day. Perhaps that might be a good way of approaching this, because it really does teach our families what it means to wait and to long for the celebration. We can't start the celebration before the child comes, but we can prepare for the coming of our Lord, not just in our homes, but most importantly, in our hearts. And by the way, if you want a great gift for your family, consider my book, Saving the Family. It's been a big help for so many families so that they can literally come together around the dinner table, not just once a year or during the major holidays, but regularly, because it is at that place, that sacred table in your domestic church's home, which is basically your dinner table, where sacrifices do occur, that you can have conversations that lead to conversion, turning towards one another when there's a message and a delicious meal. So stay in touch. Feel free and ask me more questions. And between now and the next time we have another conversation, and you can also email me your questions at hashtag AskFatherLeo@FatherLeoFeeds.com. I want you to celebrate the Advent season and stay hungry for the Lord.